Now.
I've come down the hallway, so you're now going to be coming up to some water fountains, which you need to disinfect. So again, you've done that. Now I'm going to step into a washroom in this situation and put my cart across the door. So you step into your washroom. You look at it, so you have a dispenser. Sanitize that. You now have a sink. Dispensers. Metal partitions. Urinal. Handle. And work your way through all areas, which you'll have to shut the door to get in behind.
The toilet.
Dispensers, toilet. Now just a reminder, your toilets should have been disinfected when you do your cleaning of your toilets, but it doesn't hurt to give them another spray. We're done in this washroom.